This is one awesome dad. What can this be? Oh yeah, it's all leather, brown. It's an excellent product that when you walk in the door, throw your keys in, even place your wallet. A great gift for your dad, loved one, father, so forth. You get a keychain and a storage area made of leather. Now let me show you how to put this together. It's really that simple. When you head over to give your gift, they give you a shopping bag, and what we're going to do is take everything out of the bag, the leather tray that says, Best Dad Ever. A key ring. Oh yeah, even has a little logo right there. Dad, you'll always be our superhero. And of course the separated tray. Here's the how to install. All you need to do is just pinch the sides together. Take this divider and just simply snap it to the insides. And place it anywhere in the welcome area that you walk in, the kitchen, your desk, and so forth. And you could just simply take your keychain, your spare change, whatever. You get everything to hand this as a gift to your loved ones. So I hope you enjoy your product. Your dad, make him happy every single day when they walk in the door. Have a great day, and I hope you enjoy your product.